Good morning, my lovely viewers from YouTube. Today I am going to be doing a deep conditioning on my hair using the TGIN Miracle Repair X Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. So I've had this product for a long time and I've actually already used a fair amount of it, but I have to say lately I've been a little bit lazy with my hair care routine, and I have noticed that in my previous videos when I was recording my wash and goes and stuff, I did notice that my hair was looking very dry. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna jump into the shower. We're gonna wash, detangle in the shower. Off camera, I'm not recording that because I've got so many of those videos. And I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna apply this and we're going to deep condition. And then after that, we're gonna style and we're gonna compare and see if this works. So I just came out of the shower, so my hair is now washed, detangled, no knots whatsoever. So yeah, I basically used the exact same shampoo and conditioner, like detangler, as last week. I kept everything the same. So can you see my hair is a little bit dry? Little bit. But yeah, I'm using the exact same product because I'm kind of doing this as an experiment as well, to see if this product is actually gonna make a difference. But I have to say my hair, one of the reasons why my hair is dry as well is because I use shampoo, and yeah, we're gonna use that. Hang on. I use shampoo and shampoo does really dry out my hair, I find. Co-washing, I know co-washing is really popular, or was really popular like 3-4 years ago maybe, but I've tried co-washing and it definitely helped my hair be more like smooth and more hydrated, but it didn't clean my scalp. Like I would get massive product buildup on my scalp with co-washing, and I just feel like it's a really big waste of product. I mean, people are co-washing every single day. I mean, that's a lot of product. So I don't want to be co-washing. I'm just going to stick to my routine of using shampoo. It does dry out my hair though, but my scalp, very clean. I love a clean scalp. I hate dandruff. I hate like crusty stuff on my head. No, not for me. So I'm gonna keep using shampoo. And yeah, so let's apply the TGIN mask. It's quite thick. It smells so good and it's like really thick consistency. I'm not sure how much to use, but I'm just gonna go with feel. So creamy, look at that. Creamy and thick. So I'm gonna apply over here. I don't think I'm gonna need to use a lot of this because it's really thick. Like it's really dense. Yeah, I definitely don't need a lot. So we're gonna apply this here. Make sure I'm like spreading it on every hair strand. We might focus a bit more on the ends. The ends are usually dry, so more here. Like compared to like a leave-in, you know, this is really thick, like consistency wise. Like a leave-in is way more runny, I guess. And yeah, you're not meant to leave this in. Basically you need to, yeah, this is meant to be, it's a mask, so you have to rinse it out. I mean, I don't know what would happen if you leave it in, but I'm guessing if you leave this product in, because it's so thick, it's going to weigh your hair down a lot. like it's gonna be like heavy, and it's going to probably result in a lot of product buildup if you don't rinse it out. So I don't recommend using this as a leave-in. Use a leave-in as a leave-in is what I'm saying. Again, we're gonna focus on the ends as well. Just a bit of shedded hair here. I'm going to use a comb to comb the product through, just to help distribute the product more evenly in the hair. Add a bit more to this side, like the ends. Right, next up I'm gonna put on a shower cap and we're gonna let the product sit. So let's look at the instructions on here. So basically it says, where are the directions? Okay, so directions: after shampooing with Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. I didn't do that part because I didn't have that shampoo and conditioning. So basically they're saying use the same shampoo, like the same line, shampoo and conditioner to detangle and shampoo, but I didn't do that because I use a different shampoo. It says apply a generous amount of deep hydrating hair mask to hair and comb through to ensure there's a typo on this. To ensure distribution from roots to ends, which I've already done. Place a plastic cap over hair and sit under a dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. I don't actually have one of those dryers, so I think I'm just gonna use a handheld dryer. I don't know how well this is gonna work, or leave in here for 35 minutes to an hour without heat. I don't have this time today because I'm heading out. I'm heading out in 30 minutes, so I'm not gonna be able to do that step. I'm gonna just use a hair dryer and just apply some heat to it, and then thoroughly rinse with warm water followed by cool water. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, just got out of a shower after rinsing out the mask, and this is the hair. I'm definitely noticing a difference for sure. I'm noticing that here there's more shine. I don't know if you can see that. I might put a video of before and now just so you can see the difference, but I can see my hair is definitely a lot smoother. But I do notice a difference, and there's also a difference in the way my hair feels. I feel like the hair feels more waxy. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but when I was rinsing out the hair, it felt like there was something still on my hair even after I rinsed it. So I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. This is my honest experience with a product, it feels different. It feels like there's still product in my hair right now, even though I've rinsed it out. So yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna do exactly the same thing that I normally do when I wash my hair, so that everything else is the same, because we're doing an experiment. So now it's time to wrap my hair in my microfiber towel. I do this every time I do a wash and go, because this basically removes the excess moisture from my hair, and then I'm gonna style it after. So yeah, I really like this towel, definitely recommend. That's a Deva Curl towel. It's a microfiber towel, and there's something about the texture of it that prevents your hair from frizzing. It actually smooths your hair for some reason. So I'm just gonna put that on and then go from there. That thing's coming off, so annoying. But I'm just gonna leave that like that for maybe 2 to 3 minutes while I get ready, and then I'm gonna come here and style the hair. Right, it is now time to style the hair. So this is the hair. We're gonna do everything the same as per usual. We're gonna start by applying a leave-in conditioner. And as you guys know, the leave-in that I'm using currently is Miel Organics leave-in conditioner. It's the same one that I used last week. I'm gonna try to do everything the same that I normally do. So 3 pumps. We're gonna start with 3 pumps, but we're gonna actually add more. That's not gonna be enough. I need to find my... So what I'm noticing is my hair is not as dry as it's normal. It's still a bit dry. I'm gonna apply some water, but not as dry as usual. 3 more pumps. Going to add a bit more product to the ends. The ends are usually more dry. I've added 3 more pumps. I think that's too much, but it's okay. Then I'm going to use a comb and comb the product through. I'm definitely noticing a difference in the way that my hair looks. It looks a lot more shiny, less dry, less frizzy for sure. But also there's a difference in the way my hair feels as well. I think I've mentioned that before, but usually when I use the leave-in conditioner like Miel Organics, when I put it in, it feels like there's nothing in my hair. But today I can feel the product in my hair, but I think it's because of the mask. She's doing that for sure. Right, next up we are going to style with Eco Styler gel, and we're going to use the gel as a styler and also to define the curls. So you guys know I like to do this in smaller sections, whereas when I apply the leave-in I just apply it to half of my hair. But yeah, with this step we need smaller sections, and I'm going to apply a small amount of gel. Not a small amount, I actually use quite a bit. I'm going to show you in a minute how much I use. But yeah, I apply it, I rake my fingers through quite a lot. And what I'm noticing is my curls are actually more defined today, I think. Yeah, like, I don't know if you can see that, but by the way, I just before I was reading the list of ingredients on the TGIN mask jar, just to find out like what's in the product and why it's got that, you know, that effect that it feels like there's still product on my hair after I've rinsed it. So I just wanted to see what is in the product. So I just read the list of ingredients and I realized there's actually silicone in the mask, and I do think that TGIN use silicone in their products, by the way. And I know that a lot of natural hair girlies are like against using silicone, because silicone definitely it can build up on your hair, and you can't remove silicone from your hair without using shampoo. So if people are co-washing and not using shampoo at all in their routine, then it makes sense to not use silicone products. My dad just arrived. It makes sense to not use silicone products, but if people are gonna use shampoo, like I use shampoo, so I have no problems using silicone on my hair. Papa, 5 minutes. So this is how much gel I'm using. I don't normally rush like this, but today, yeah, I'm in a hurry. My dad is already here. So that's the hair done. Hmm? Alright, so my hair is currently dry. The wash and go is completely dry. I have had my hair in a ponytail and a satin scrunchie because I had a little nap. So I'm just gonna show you what the hair looks like now, completely dry, and give you my final thoughts and final verdict on the product. So let's have a look. So that is the hair currently, yeah, completely dry. And generally what I do is I'll use a comb, like a pick comb, one of those, and I use this to fluff, like shape, it helps shape the hair, if that makes sense. So just like that. See how it helps shape it. But you don't want to like comb all the way through to your roots, because that's obviously that's gonna, you know, remove all the curl pattern. It's gonna break the curls. So you just want to do this. So yeah, I have to say as well that after the wash and go, I normally leave my hair to just air dry in the house. I stay in the house, but today I actually went out to the botanical gardens and it was like really foggy. So I think this may have impacted the way the hair turned out. But I mean, it's fine, you know, it's fine. So I'll just do this. It's looking good. I reckon it's looking good. It's lots of volume. And the cool thing is my hair is feeling really light. I thought that the product would weigh my hair down, but it's not. It's actually like really fluffy and really light, which I really like. I think I've done enough of that now. Yeah, so this is the final look. That's my wash and go, completely dry. It didn't dry the way I normally dry it, like I said before, but yeah, it is what it is. In terms of whether I would recommend this product, I definitely would recommend this product. Like, I have completely forgotten how moisturized deep conditioning makes your hair. Like, I have completely forgotten because I haven't deep conditioned my hair for like over 6 months. I would say maybe even a year. I haven't really been deep conditioning my hair, but I'm definitely considering including deep conditioning in my regular routine. I'm probably not gonna do it every single week, but maybe once a month. I'm thinking of definitely implementing deep conditioning because like it definitely made a difference. Yeah, and I had forgotten just how much moisture, just how much more my hair was moisturized today after I've used the deep conditioner. I definitely noticed a difference. Like, it was more shiny, like more smooth. The only negative thing I would say about it is that there was kind of this like waxy residue on my hair after I rinsed it. While I was rinsing it out, I felt like there was like this, yeah, my hair felt waxy, but I do believe that this is the silicone in the product. There is silicone in this product. But for me personally, silicone doesn't really bother me because I actually use shampoo on my hair weekly or at least every 2 weeks. But if you're someone who doesn't use shampoo, if you're someone who uses sulfate-free shampoos, or you know, you co-wash your hair, I think that using silicone is actually going to result in build-up. Like the product's going to build up on your hair, because silicone is, yeah, it's something that you do need to use sulfate or like a shampoo, like soap. You need to use soap to actually remove silicone from your hair. Just rinsing your hair just with water is not gonna remove a silicone. So that's just one thing. So I guess it's up to you. If you use shampoo in your hair, there's no issues because the shampoo is going to remove the silicone. So yeah, and I definitely recommend the product. I actually really like it. And what I've noticed today as well, when I was using the gel, the Eco Styler gel, normally I have to use a lot of gel and keep reapplying more gel to get, you know, the curl to define properly and stuff. But today I was finding I used less gel and the curls were more, I don't know, the curls were more defined, and it took less work to define the curls. Like if you've seen my previous wash and go that I do, I have to spend so much time like raking the product through and really taking my time with it to define the curls. But today it was really quick. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this product, TGIN Miracle Mask, I think it's called. And I would definitely recommend implementing deep conditioning in your routine, maybe once a month. Yeah, definitely recommend it. But this is the end of this video, guys. I'm like looking in the camera now and it looks really good. Like it's so shiny, and honestly there's like nothing else in my hair right now. There's just the leave-in conditioner and the Eco Styler gel. It looks really, really good. I really, really love it. It looks amazing. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.